Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. Today we've got a special treat for you, Salmon Nanbanzuke, a delightful dish that combines the rich flavor of salmon with a tangy, savory marinade. It's a perfect balance of flavors that's sure to tantalize your taste buds. Let's jump right in and start cooking! First, let's prepare the salmon. Cut each slice into 8 pieces for easy eating. If there are bones, remove them so you can feel safe when eating. But if you try to remove them forcibly, the meat may fall apart. So please remove only to the extent that the meat does not fall apart. Patting the salmon dry. Sprinkle the salmon with sake and let it sit for 5 minutes. Next, let's cut the veggies. Cindy sliced the bell pepper. Cindy sliced the onion. And Cindy sliced the ginger. If you have minced ginger, that works too. Let's coat the salmon. Right before cooking, remove any excess moisture from the salmon. And coat it with potato starch. Let's cook the salmon. Heat salad oil in a pan, remove excess potato starch from the salmon, and fry it over high heat for about 4 minutes, flipping halfway through. While the salmon is cooking, mix vinegar, sugar, dashi powder, salt, soy sauce, and black pepper in a bowl. Once the salmon is cooked, remove it from the pan. Reduce excess oil if necessary, then add the sauce mixture and bring it to a boil. Add the vegetable and mix well. Also add lemon juice here. Remove from heat. Add the salmon back into the pan, ensuring it's coated with the sauce and veggies. Let it sit for about 10 minutes to absorb the flavors. If you prefer your vegetable less crunchy, simmer them briefly. We realized we forgot the ginger, so we added it at this stage. Once the flavors have melded, it's ready to plate. We garnished ours with coriander for an extra pop of flavor. The combination of the tangy sauce and coriander is divine, so give it a try if you have some on hand. And there you have it, a vibrant and flavorful salmon nanbanzuke that's as nutritious as it is delicious. It's the perfect dish to perk up your taste buds and give your body a boost, especially during those transitional seasons. Thank you so much for watching. We hope you enjoyed this recipe as much as we did. If you give it a try, don't forget to leave us a comment and let us know how it turns out. And if you haven't already, please hit the subscribe and write the bell for more delicious Japanese recipe. Until next time, happy cooking! Bye bye!